Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where today I have the privilege of showing you a 2016 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. That is the dual console. See our big windshield there. Closed Raymarine radar, spreader lights, big heavy windshield with wipers. There is a windlass and a ladder below that hatch, as well as a freshwater sprayer up there. JL audio speakers and outlets for USB ports. Bow block off door, of course. To starboard, you have the head, vacuum flush toilet, sink, breaker panel. Off to the port side, you do have a cabin in this boat. This one has the flip down table, which is pretty cool. This port side chair can be raised up and spun to face forward for when you're going fast, or you can have it like this with a table. That table will mount there or behind the back seat. Big hard top, great finish on all the powder coating. He does have the optional hatches in the hard top there. Full featured helm, Raymarine, chart plotter, GPS. Big SmartCraft vessel view, Fusion stereo, VHF, electric Lenco tabs. This is a joystick boat, so you get skyhook as well as autopilot. There's that DTS throttle, your joystick, and power up and down for the captain's chair with flip down armrests and flip up thigh rise. Full functioning entertainment station here with a stainless steel refrigerator, as well as running off the inverter, an electric grill. You don't have to carry propane. Nice live well there. This seat will go completely flat, or you can lean it back. It'll do a million things. There's big storage underneath. Keeps combing pads covered. Flip out seat at the transom. The big dive door. This boat does have a nice, all good see-through hard enclosure. That is new in 2024. All right, please call Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax to check this boat out. 954-684-1375. Thanks.